Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my first iPad unboxing, and I had purchased my iPad on Amazon Prime Day. This was the product that I was planning to buy because my other iPad completely ran out of storage. With me purchasing this on Amazon, I did get some money off. I'm going to be setting up my new iPad with you guys, and I'm going to show you guys the accessories that I did purchase for my iPad. And if you guys want to see my other Apple unboxing products like my iPhone and my Apple Watch, I'll link those videos down below for you guys. So let's get started with me unboxing my new iPad, the 10th generation. I'm gonna try to make this video ASMR-y as possible, and also towards the end of the video I am going to be comparing my new iPad with my older iPad. I currently have the 7th generation, so I finally upgraded. I'm gonna open this box with my cat paw, but it's actually a really cute box cutter. Oh my gosh, she is really big. I did not expect her to be this big because in pictures it looked like that she would be like at least this small and down, not this big, but that's really good. This is the 10th generation and I did get her in 256 gigabytes. Ooh. This is what she looks like, and I noticed that most people like hold their iPad like this instead of like this because the camera is like in the center right here. Look, I was very tempted of getting this in hot pink. Very tempted because the hot pink color is so cute, and a lot of girls have the hot pink color. I know how I am, and I always switch up my style here and there, especially with colors. It does come with this still, and it has the directions, and hopefully, yep, okay, still has the Apple stickers, and I got 2 of them. Of course, you get the charger and the charger box. What's different this time with the iPad is that this generation and up, you cannot use like your iPhone charger or like the typical iPhone charger with this iPad. You have to use a USB-C charger just like this, or if you have the iPhone 15, then you can use that charger because the same thing as this one. They both use the USB-C chargers now. I'm glad it comes with that, and also the charger box, but as they should. You want to know what Apple should actually bring back? The headphones, the wired headphones. We all used to get those, and now all of a sudden like they disappeared. Ooh, shiny. Let me undo this one too because all I have is my laptop charger and I don't want to use that on my iPad. I think I want to charge this before I like show you guys me setting it up, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Of course, I have to get a screen protector, and I think this comes with 2 of them. I always get a glass screen protector with my phones or my iPad, whatever device. This is like the best one to get. I have my iPad case, and it's from the brand 𝐋𝐄𝐍𝐓. I really love the quality of their cases, and I had got this one in a rose gold color, and it's pretty much a pink color because it doesn't really give me much of a rose gold, but I mean it's still a really cute case. This was not a newer purchase. I actually got this for my iPhone. They do sell these on Amazon. It's just a bedazzled 20-watt charger box. And the last accessory that I had got was a new Apple pen, and this is not the actual Apple pen. This is like a inspired one, but I had to get one because I don't think with my other Apple pen that I have, it's not gonna work with my new iPad. I had got it from this brand, Stylus pen, or what brand is this? I don't know the exact name for this one yet, but it will be linked below. Same thing with the cases and the iPad and everything that I have mentioned. I noticed some of the stylus pens, they didn't have a USB-C charger, but this one does. And ooh, this actually feels like a real Apple Pencil. Like the feel of it feels really, really nice and sturdy. Oh no, it's turning on. What do I do? It's blinking, it's turning on. Do I turn off? I'll figure that out later. This is the charger part where you can put the USB-C in, and then make sure you do not want to lose this and put it back in there just like that. This one comes with a charger and extra tips for it. So I've been playing with my new iPad, and I did change the screen protector like 20 different times, but this is my new current wallpaper. It is a Christian Dior. What the heck? It is a Christian Dior wallpaper. This whole iPad theme that I have going on is like pink and silver and black. My Apple Pencil is working perfectly fine. I know with some Apple Pencil alternatives, you have to like really be careful and be mindful about which one you get, because not all of them are going to work with the 10th generation. This is the current iPad that I've been using for the past maybe 3 years or so, almost 4 years. I did get her in gold, but I wish that they had the 10th generation in gold. She literally only had 32 gigabytes, 60. Wait, yeah, it was 32 gigabytes because the iPad that I had before this one only has 16. So I think I had like the first or second, third generation. It was a long time ago. And I'm actually gonna miss the little home button right here because I am so used to it. This is how the camera currently looks, and obviously it is not in the center like how the other one is. It's like at the top. But yeah, this is huge, and I'm actually gonna take a picture too. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys, while I was transferring the information to my new iPad, it was acting so slow, so I had to manually do everything. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that, just in case if you do have an older iPad like mine. Now we're gonna try out the new iPad quality, which I'm really excited for. This is how the quality looks, and I really love the quality. I can definitely tell a huge difference, and it looks like I'm looking down, but really the camera is just up here. And yeah, so let me take a quick pic real quick. Yeah, I really love the quality. Let me show you guys how it looks when you're on FaceTime. So I have the camera in the middle like this. Now watch me move my body. It follows me. That is so trippy. Keep in mind, I'm not moving this at all. I don't know if you can turn this off. Probably. I haven't checked that out yet. But that's like a little trippy to me. Like, I'm so not used to this. I'm probably gonna have to turn it off though, but yeah, this is really cool right here. I am so in love with this iPad. It's definitely worth the upgrade, especially if you have an older iPad like mine. Like, you guys will really see the difference on how the quality is, whether it's with the camera or like with the battery. Like the battery, oh yeah, the battery is so good too. I'm gonna use this a lot for work and watch movies, or if I don't feel like being on my phone, I can just go on my Amazon Prime. I'm telling y'all, I use this all the time. I was recently watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. It's free. If you guys want this wallpaper, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me, letting me know that you guys want this wallpaper, or the wallpaper that I had before this, which was the diamonds. Just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I really hope you guys enjoy this iPad unboxing. Let me know what are your favorite features on the iPad, and let me know some tips and tricks because I am pretty new to this iPad, especially with the iOS 17, like the new updated one. I'm sure some of you guys know some things that I probably don't. Like this video, comment down below, and of course subscribe to join the Harmony. We are almost at 50k subscribers. So if you guys are into beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, or just anything like that, then you guys will definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.